Okay, Cody, go.
Wow, I'm so hungry. I sure would like a pizza. I just wish it didn't take so long to get pizza.
Go, Jeffy. Poof!
Whoa! That pizza got here so fast. Who could have delivered a pizza that fast?
Little hungry. My bib. Can you fix it?
Yeah, gotcha.
Little hungry Speedsters. Little hungry Papa Speedster's pizza. That's of course.
Wow!
Hut. Little hungry Papa Speedster Hut's pizza. That's who could make it that fast.
Wow, that was so fast.
What do you think, Jeffy? Pizza. Yep. So if you order a pizza, we'll get it to your house in 10 minutes or less, or we'll pay you $1,000.
That's insane.
But if we get the pizza at your house before 10 minutes, you owe us $1,000.
That's also insane.
That's pizza. Fast in a fast way.
Yeah. Order now.
Call
this number. Junior, the number.
That number.
Junior, is that my phone number?
To call this number
No, Junior,
for pizza $1,000.
Junior, I don't want them calling my phone number.